Yes, to another video. Today I'm starting on a sad note. We as online investors, we've been scammed for like three platforms, and I decided to make this video to do the deletion of these videos, because if you notice, if you've been watching my videos, I wrote about E-cairo. I made a video about E-cairo. These are the videos here down. I made about Dubaistocks. The last time I made a video on Dubaistocks, like I had just uploaded it on the 13th October. Then the following day on the 14th, the Dubaistocks started misbehaving. The platform started misbehaving, and now I decided to remove the links so that people do not join. And people who are contacting me on WhatsApp and calling me, I would frankly tell them, please don't register. I even had a friend who had 3 million prepared to invest in this platform as the only one that was left on the land, but it also turned out to be a scam. It is still up and running, but the withdrawals are becoming I don't know how I can term it. Now, this is BLQ. We all know that they went, and I had made a video that so many people watched. E-cairo is also misbehaving. So if I can take you to my phone screen, I just want to share with you. You see that we have all been conned. Like, you know, this is E-cairo. I had my balance. I'd even made a withdrawal of 50,000. Up to now, it did not come. They show you that it is deducted. That is my balance. But they still invite you to spin their things, but you do not get money. So stay away from E-cairo. We've accepted. Now there is Ugfootball here. I made a withdrawal 4 days ago. But after hearing the news of temporary service unavailable, now it is unavailable. Of recent, it has been available. Okay, so away from that, let's go to the Dubaistocks thing. I show you Dubaistocks. Let's go to the Dubaistocks, and you also see that it is also a scam. Where the contacts are there, let me log into my account, and I show you that that login required. Let's log in. It is still up and running. They still want people to join, but now on the 14th they changed their thingy and now put limits on the withdrawal. See my balance. I cannot even reinvest this. I just want to make this video to show you that these guys are also scammers. So withdraw, make a withdrawal. Let's just try, because they say their limit is 30. So I will put in 30. I'll put 30,000. Then, sorry, this is a telephone number. Let me select my phone number. Then I put 30,000. Yes. Then let's make a withdrawal together, guys. And you see how these guys have changed the tactics. Now you see they say minimum is 30, and yet I've shown you that on my balance I have 80,000. So please stay away. If you've not fallen in this, remember I made the previous video. I showed you that I had deposited I deposited 500 live when you guys were seeing. So that, I believe it is gone. I just believe it is gone. So what next, guys? Just wanted to show you that Now this is my account. You see, it is saying minimum is what shows that I do not have funds. Now see, I have money on the account, but it cannot be withdrawn, so please stay away. So what I will do, let's go to my YouTube channel and I delete these videos as you all are seeing. This, the first one is for Dubaistocks. I'll come here and click on this 3 dots and then delete forever. I understand. Then delete forever. Let it go. Then even the one for E-cairo, I made these videos hoping that these things were somehow legit, and I wanted to share knowledge together with you guys, but I'm sorry, whoever fell into this, I'm deleting these videos as a sign that all these. But I was also a member. I was equally conned, so they are all going. I'm remaining with one for BLQ. Delete, 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 and delete. It is also gone. So now what next for us who want to earn money online? For sure there are legit ways to make money online that will not need you to deposit. Before I even came into these things, I had made an article or written an article of 5 legit businesses, that 5 proven ways on how you can make money online. I'm going to put the link in the description. Number 1 is blogging. Let's pass through. Number 2 is you can start a YouTube channel like this YouTube channel. Number 3, you can start affiliate marketing. Number 4, you sell digital products. Number 5, you start a SaaS business. So there are many more that, like there are many more. Some I did not write about, but they include forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, and those other things. But be aware of scammers. We have all been scammed, but now I'm changing this channel for the better. We are going to have videos on real and legit ways to make money online. The only thing with this is that it needs a lot of input. You need to work hard to make it. All right, so comment down below and tell me on these other methods which one are you so much interested in. I start making tutorials for you guys, and you start slowly. You can make a YouTube channel, you can create a website, I can teach all those. So I don't want to make this video so long. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, and thanks for being my royal subscribers. Thank you.